Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Amit, and today we are going to start the Selenium series. And we have Angam with us. So he will be describing the drop-down box. And uh, so let's introduce Angam. So Angam, hello Angam.
Hello, hi Amit.
Hey.
Hi guys, myself Angan. We are basically starting a series on most asked question on Selenium. So, we'll start with two of the most asked questions. That is basically on dropdowns and window handle. So, I'm going to code that through. And Amit, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Meanwhile, I will be coding. Okay.
Sure. Please go ahead, Angam.
Okay. So let me just create a project. Let me copy this one. Uh, Paste it. Suppose this is going to be automation. Tutorials. So as you can see, in the form.xml file, I have added few of the dependencies that I will suggest to add. I have added the Selenium 4.2 jar 4.22, and this is the WebDriver Manager jar I've added, and this is for now, as of now, this is optional test.ng jar, but you can add if you want to add. So yeah, this is a Maven project I've created. So let me just create a package over here of A1, and I have created the package A1, and I will create a class inside it, that is dropdown. Well, in the main and finish. Okay. So now I'm going to explain what is dropdown, how it looks like, and how to handle dropdown. So for instance, we have this page, this web page, and you can see here is the dropdown, two of the dropdown, that is auto suggestive dropdown, and one is a static dropdown. So in the static dropdown, the options are constant. You cannot change the options. But in the auto suggestive dropdown, if I put some text, it will suggest me options, and from the options, I have to select this. So these are basically the difference. So in the static dropdown, there should be a select class in it. So you can see that this is the select class. Okay, just maximize it, and if I expand this, so you can see option 1, option 2, and option 3 over there. So let's get started with the coding part. So first of all, I would uh, describe the WebDriver manager because I have taken the dependency. Chrome driver dot setup. So this WebDriver manager, what it does is no need to download that Chrome driver again and again. It will manage the Chrome driver based on its latest version. So you can call this like this. So I have added this dependencies in the form.xml file. So now I can create the object of the driver interface, WebDriver. Driver equals to new Chrome driver. Okay. Let's just put a semicolon and we can import these packages from our lines in the Selenium. And we'll import this also from driver. So Amit, do you have any doubts till now?
No, it's okay. Only one request. So please be a little loud, okay, so that it will be
Okay,
audible
okay.
to
I
me.
will be
Yeah.
little louder.
Okay.
So yes. Now it is better. The sound quality.
Yes, Sangam. Okay,
Hello.
please go ahead. Yes, Sangam. Please go ahead.
Okay, so we'll go through driver.get and we'll put the URL over here. So the URL we have to copy from this. This is the base. This is basically the URL, and we'll copy this and we'll paste this. Okay. Then the we have to click on that particular this this drop down. So inspect. So here we can see there is a ID. So we have to expand this to select the options from here. So first we have to click on this. So let me just first click on this. So for finding its XPath, we have ID and the name. So what I can do is I can write the XPath over here. That is tag name @ ID equals to this one. Yeah. So you can see it is inspecting one element. So we can use this. So simple. We have to call the find element driver dot find element by dot xpath. So ID is also present. You can also use the ID. That will be straightforward. But I would suggest to use the XPath. ID can be changed over the course of time, but I prefer using XPath over ID. So it is recommended to use the XPath always. So yeah. So let's just test this one if it is working or not. Okay. Yeah. So it is opening that particular and it is showing the drop down. So now we have to select the options from the drop down. So what I will just after clicking on this, so we have to go to that particular sorry. So here you can see if I am inspecting on this one, this so this is the option 1, this is the option 2, and this is the option 3. So when I'm inspecting on this, let's just so if I expand this, so the value is option and so there are three methods basically. That is select by value, select by visible text, and select by index. So based on the index, you can also select. So we will call the select class over here. Select equals to new select. Yeah. Here we have to put the web element over here. So what I will suggest, I will take this web element. and the drop down full screen. Just copy this. Full screen. This is basically the web element. We have to import this web element, and we can simply say drop down dot click. So here we have to paste that particular drop down. Okay. Then we can use this select object we have created, select dot, then select by. Here you can see select by index, select by value, and select by visible text. So index, I would go one by one, describe each of this. Select by index means that the first one is will be in the zeroth index, second one will be in the first index, and third one will be in the uh, second index, and last option. There are four options, so last one will be in the third index. As the array starts from 0, so it will start from 0. So if I click, if I suppose I will paste it 1 over here, and so it will select the option 1. Let's check if it is selecting or not. Yeah. So here you can see the option 1 is selected. So any questions, Amit, on this?
Actually, we are running out of time. We have 7 minutes now. So we need to
Okay.
complete this particular select class only. Okay. Uh,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
almost
We'll complete it.
almost we are done. So whatever the
Yes.
options are left, like select by index, select by value, and select by
Hmm.
uh,
Visible text.
visible text. So just uh,
Yes.
uh, try to complete it as fast as possible.
Okay. 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 So, as we have completed the first one, I am just commenting it out. So, select by value means the values given in the DOM itself. So, here you can see, here you can see the value is given as option 1. So, let's just select the option 2 over here. I can just simply write option 2. So, So if I am writing like this, it will select the option 2. So let me just run and see whether it is selecting or not. Yeah. So here you can see the option 2 is selected over here. And then the last one, that is visible text. So visible text is also the same, the text you are seeing on this. So option 1, option 2, and option 3 is shown. So let me just go by visible text, select dot, select by visible text. So the visible text that I am seeing is option 3. Yes, so option 3. And let me just run this. Okay, so some typing mistakes are there. Here the O is capital, so we have put it as small, so it is not selecting. So let me just rerun this. Yeah. So here you can see the option 3 is selected, and we have successfully completed 3 of the methods, like select by value, select by index, and select by visible
So
text. So these are basically the static dropdown, how to select the options from the static dropdown. So yeah,
So Angam,
that's it.
thank you so much.
Yeah.
And we are left with few minutes. I'll come up with a few questions. Okay, generally asked, and we also ask in taking interview our candidates. So
Yes.
the first question is like how do you select? Like you have three different values. Okay. So
Yes.
see if we have to select the second one. So
Okay.
what will be the index? If I need to
Okay.
select
So
the second element, so what should be our index?
okay. So here the options are. Here you can see there are four options.
Okay,
So the options are. It is treated like an array. So array
okay,
starts from index 0.
okay,
So
fine.
the select will be the zeroth option while
Okay,
you are selecting. Select by index. So option one will be the first. Option two will be second,
okay,
and
fine.
option three will be the third.
Okay, fine.
So
So
that is basically how it's treated.
it start with zeroth
Zero.
element, and
Yes.
the zeroth element is the select one. Okay,
Yes.
so that's
Yes.
why the option two will be the second one only. And
Yes.
if it is in place of select option, it was option one. Then our
Yes.
second value should be like one option. So generally, like
Yes.
in interview question, they'll ask to confuse the interviewer. Sorry,
Yes. The
interview.
interviewers asked
Yeah.
to confuse this.
And
So just
then
remember it works on the array principle. So it starts from
okay,
zero.
and the next question is like you already explained: select by index, select by value, and select by visual text. So, guys,
Yes. Yes.
these are the three important questions being asked in the select class. Okay, so here we'll wind up the select class option. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe to get such videos. We'll be uploading. We are creating the playlist where we are
Yes.
uploading videos for each concept of the Selenium. So we today we done with that select class. Again, we'll continue with the drop down box.
Yes.
And
We'll continue with the auto suggestive dropdown. How to select the options from these also. And we'll move to the window handles and we'll cover each topics one by one. So
so
yeah, stay tuned with us.
guys, we are putting a lot of efforts. Okay, your subscribe, your like, your comment definitely give us confidence, and like we all are working, and we are taking this time after our working hour, and we are putting a lot of effort to educate you. That is all free of cost here on the YouTube. So guys, what we need from you is your love, your support that you can show by subscribing to our channel. So guys, don't forget to subscribe us. Please subscribe us. Click on the like button, bell icon. Okay, so that once we'll upload a new video, so the notification will come to you guys. So those who are
Yes.
watching it for the first time, okay, because I'll see the statics are like more than 70% of people just see and they don't subscribe. So it's our humble request,
Yeah,
please guys.
yeah, guys, we are putting a lot of efforts. And it is not paid also.
Okay,
So you can subscribe and like
and
the videos,
I and Angam, we
and
have
it will
decided,
motivate us also. Yes.
and we both have decided to make it interactive. So I'll ask
Yes.
questions to him and he will be explaining the concepts. So that's it,
Yes.
guys. We are winding up. Meet you the next
Yeah.
class.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for
Thank you,
joining
guys.
us.
Thanks.